Hi, in this video I will show you how to connect MT4 or MT5 with TradingView. So first things first, make sure that you have logged in or you already have an account on the TradingView. Once you're done with that, make sure that you also have an account set up with both the broker that supports MT4 and MT5. So some brokers includes Wanda, Forex.com, and others. So once you're logged in, you can access your broker integration. Just navigate to the trading panel at the bottom of the trading view. Click on broker and select your broker from the list. For example, if you use Forex.com, head over and use that. After that, you need to connect your broker account. So follow the prompts to log into your broken account and then use your credentials through that. So you need to also authorize TradingView to access your account from in there. You can also set up alerts on TradingView, and it is actually based on your trading strategy. When this alerts trigger, they can be sent to your MT4 or MT5 account if you're using a connector. Now you can also just paste a test trade through TradingView and ensure if it reflects correctly in your MT4 and MT5 account. That way you only need to use one account for both of them. So that's how you connect MT4 or MT5 with TradingView. I hope this video helped you out.